Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out from your Amazon account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, go ahead and access your Amazon app, and once you're in your Amazon app, simply the homepage gonna look like this over here, right? So what you're gonna do afterwards is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line below right corner given over here. Once you have done so, you can see this kind of interface including all of the options given above. So for you to log out, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on this option called settings given in between, and you can see in the below option you can see switch account and your account's name and sign out option. Go ahead, tap on it. Now tap on this sign out option. It asking for your confirmation. Tap on the sign out option and you can see the logout in progress. You can see now we are simply logged out of our account like that. So this is it, guys. This is the way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.